Christ denomination, which is a worldwide denomination. And so I'm looking at things not only from a natural perspective, but also from a spiritual perspective. And I've already had an opportunity to meet some other pastors that are also here. So I just want to thank you for welcoming me tonight, for making me feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable everywhere that I go, but I thank you. And that's only because of the publicity and the power. I think you all learned about the media and how if media is allowed to shape your story. And as a judge, judges are prohibited from talking about cases. And so for all of the time that I was on the bench, I was being attacked every day by things that were being put in the media that I was not allowed by law or by the rules of ethics to defend myself. And so to have someone here like Vanessa, who's a doctoral student, getting ready to be Dr. Enoch, who out unawares to me, it was put in her heart to do a case study on me, not because of what I was going through, but she just happened to uncover all of that while she was doing her case study on me never knowing that I would be charged with now 10 felonies, having never in my life, outside of a traffic, violation. I have, had some tickets, but other than that, I was pretty conservative, straight-laced, pretty, young person coming up. And so to be hit with 10 felonies at this time in my life, when I've worked hard for everything that I've had, and my family worked very hard to make sure that I received the best education, and now to be in a position where I've been fighting all my life for equality, even as a lawyer, filing civil rights cases, racial profiling cases, and then now myself to be on this side, on the other side, the side that I never in life would have imagined myself to be on, and then to almost be defenseless because I couldn't speak up for myself as a judge, but now to have someone that used her degree to speak for me, and then people like yourselves that have heard the story and are now understanding that there's two sides and that there's more than what they've been told, and are now starting to research the truth. All I ever said from the beginning was, just do your homework. Just do your homework. Look at the documents. And I always say to people, just do a public records request on everything that I did as judge, and you will get the other side. But those are the types of things that have been hidden from the public. So again, I just want to say thank you for caring enough to be here, to organize in your own cities, and to organize around your own causes, or the things that you see as injustice in your community. Because until you stand up, then the defenseless children and the people that are poor and that are disadvantaged, that don't have anyone to speak for them, as long as you remain silent, those injustices will continue to grow and expand. So thank you for allowing